Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 9 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Shadow Galaxy. Firstly, open Play Store. Now type Shadow Galaxy and download this app from this developer. Open it, choose Settings and customize this wallpaper however you want, but I don't want to do anything, so I will just go back, click Open and tap Set Wallpaper. Over here you need to decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the options. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!